What's up, guys? How you doing? Today's episode is going to be quite the iffy one for me. I'm not much of an electrical person as far as like doing wiring and stuff, but hoping I can figure this out. This right here is a Radiantz LED module for the underside of the Indian Scout. So basically you get rid of that whole assembly on the back. And now a little bit of forewarning, I went on to an Indian Scout post about this exact light, and people actually having some bad things to say about it, especially when it came to the wiring and how complicated it was and how some things were just not put together right. So I think the company might have changed their approach based on that forum. I don't know, because now when you buy it, it comes with your bracket, of course, and this just screws right into where the stock bracket goes, and then you have your wires all connected and ready to go. See that? Very cool, right? So the whole package is like that. And they have the posi tap little connectors. So you can just literally unscrew this top piece right there, slip your wire in, and just screw it on, and it taps into the wire like it's like a self-tapping wire. Very cool, right? Okay, so full disclosure, I started doing this before I started filming because I didn't want to look like a complete idiot on camera, but that's out the window at this point. So here's how I did this. Number one, you just got to take these bolts out of the side, all four of those out of your fender, and then you pull your fender off. You'll disconnect this clip on the bottom as you're pulling it out, and then I brought it all inside. Instead of working on it outside, I just brought it inside. Sorry I didn't get shots of taking the fender off the bike, but it's pretty simple to do. It's not that hard. It's actually really easy. All right, now I'm gonna sit and kind of concentrate and look at the diagram on their website and see if I can figure out what wires to tap into here and how I'm gonna do this. Also, for those of you somewhat curious, this is the diagram on their website. I'll put a link down below to this diagram. This is what I'm going off of, so hopefully I can figure this out. Actually, before I start wiring, I'm gonna kind of give you a gist of what's going on here. I'm colorblind as shit, so I just FaceTimed my friend, and all 6 of these cords are the cords you're gonna be tapping into right there. So you got your green, black, white, yellow, brown, and red right in there. And these are what you're going to be tapping into. I think these are just going to be ignored. I'm pretty sure. So I'll be back in just a second if it's successful. Okay, not totally finished yet, guys. Sorry for my dirty ass hands. I just kind of want to show you how this posi tap system works. So like these 2 browns are tapped into this thing right here. So we take this top off like that. And then inside you see that little metal spike. That's what taps into the wire. So I take this little bracket right here, it's got a little split in it, and that goes over the wire all the way down in there, right? And then now I just take this thing and screw it in like that, and then it will puncture that wire and tap into it just like that. And let's tighten this back in, make sure it's all tight. Boom, just like that, we have tapped into a wire. So let me finish tapping all these in and I'll go test it out. Yo, you guys ready for this? Boom. Okay, so a thing to consider is that your stock light is still gonna work in tangent with it, or whatever you would call it. It's gonna work in tandem with it, I guess. So let me show you the functions here. Let's go left blinker, go right blinker. Turn blinkers off. Let's go brake light. So just FYI, when you hit the brake, it's gonna light up both the LED and your stock brake light. Guys, I'm so friggin' proud of myself right now. I've been on a wait list at a shop to get this done for the past couple weeks because I didn't think I could do it myself. This was surprisingly easy. If this product holds up and it's good quality, this was a steal. It was like $200 something. I'm so proud of myself right now. I've never done something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside, get the fender, and then mount it all up, and then I'll show you the end result. I guess I should also show you putting it back together, to show you how like the bracket works and everything. This will be a learning experience for me as well. So let's see. And then running all the wires is gonna be quite the hassle, I'm sure. Oh, I'm so stupid. Look at this. I have to install these while this is on here. I can't, oh, I'm such an idiot. Because I can't put the wires, oh man. Yeah, there's no way to get them through. Okay, I gotta take these all off and reattach them. Damn it. Wait, false alarm, maybe. I think I can just detach these posi locks and then just slip it through, I think. Totally worked. I just disconnected the end of these and slipped them through there, and boom, 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 we're in business now. Slip all these wires through. Not everybody at once, okay? Guys, calm down. We're all gonna get through, okay? I promise. Wires are through. Now our bolts are gonna go through here, and then we're just gonna use our stock washer and nuts here. We're also gonna have to figure out how we're going to arrange these wires in here. So this is what it looks like pre-adjustment or whatever. Looks very cool. I'm tightening the nuts down right now. And now I just literally have to figure out where I'm gonna put all these wires at. They're gonna have to go up under here somehow, I'm assuming. So we have 3, let's just get these 3 out of the way that we know we don't need. And kind of set these back here for now. I think I'm gonna have to take these off and then arrange everything behind and then lock it down. I'm gonna try that. Okay, so update. What I feel is gonna make it a lot easier is I took some Tessa tape. I don't know if you know what that is. But basically, it's like electrical tape-ish stuff, but with a soft, fuzzy outside on it. For one, it's gonna make all these cords a lot easier to manage versus a big jumbled mess in there. I can just kind of wrap this stuff around. And number 2, it's gonna prevent rattles. So I doubt that I would ever hear rattles over the exhaust, but you never know. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So that's what I did. So now I should be able to kind of loop these over each other like this, maybe. Is what I've kind of strategized. And then this and this under here as well. And this will be the only out there. So all this stuff is going to be tucked under here. All we need to do now is get our little nuts here. So where's my other small one? Where's my small washer? There it is. Found it. Sorry for yelling. Okay. Let's screw these on. All right, ratchet time. All right, so that is everything tucked up under there. We just have this little thing sticking out, little, what do you, it's not a socket, whatever. I'm brain farting right now. Got this sticking out. So let's run out to the bike, plug this in, and then make sure nothing's rubbing, and we should be good. All right, so. There it is on. So brake light. Right turn signal. Left turn signal. Signal cancel. Brake light. Left turn signal. Cancel. Right turn signal. Cancel. Brake light. Brake light. Doot, 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 doot. And that's that.